Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Toolux. In this video we will be seeing all the features about the new one-click trader. I have added several new features like auto trail, manual trail, combined stop loss, max loss features, etc. I'll be covering everything. Now first let's see the installation. To install you need to download first. For that, log into your Trading Toolux account, scroll down to the bottom and click on this download one-click trader button. So it will download one zip file. So after that, open that file folder where it has been downloaded and extract the zip file. Now once you see something like this, it's time to install it to the browser. Go to your Chrome and type this. Chrome is to / extension. On the top right, enable the developer mode like this and click on the load and packed. So don't go inside the folder, come back to the root folder. If you go inside, it will not work. So choose the root folder like this and after that choose the select option. So now your extension has been installed successfully. So your one-click trader is ready, and you can click this icon and click this pin icon on the right of the Trading Toolux, and your one-click trader icon will be displayed here. Now that's it. You can start using the one-click trader by clicking on the login button. If you're logged into Trading Toolux account already, you will see something like this. Once you see something like that, you can do paper trade, or you can connect to any broker and you can start using the one-click trader. Now I'm clicking paper trade here, so it will open one window on the left side like this, and you can open another window and keep it on the stack it on the right side like this. You can drag the window like this so that your one-click trader on the left side and other main window is on the right side. Now let us see all the features and functionalities of a one-click trader. So let me just open the scalper tool and keep it on the right side. Now in one-click trader you can choose between Nifty or Bank Nifty, and these are all the call option strike prices. You can choose any, and these are all the put option strike prices. I'm choosing one call option and one put option. Now if we click on the load, it will load that particular strike price we chose, that is 38,000 call and 37,000 put option, and this is the best bid and best offer. Like you can see the bid and offer, that is bid and ask price on the green and red color, and if you click on the setting icon, you can modify the quantities or stop loss or target like this. So once you set it, it will be saved in the browser. Even if you're reloading, the same stop loss and target will be in the memory. And these two are auto trail and manual trail. This has been added newly. So and this is total target, and that is combined stop loss. You can keep target or stop loss for your combined profit, that is multiple positions. So all these features I will be covering in this video with the live trade example. So now let's move on to the next thing. Now coming on to the charts, there will be three charts here. So one is call option. You can see here this is the 17,050 call option. It will be in white color line. This is tick by tick price. It updates every second. And this is the second row is the put option price, which is in white color. And the call option plus put option price will be combined and displayed in the third row. And this yellow color is the call IV and put IV, and this yellow color on the third row is the combined call and put IV. And another new feature is dragging the chart like this. So some people will just trade on call or put option only. So if you want to see it in the bigger view, you can drag it and check out the bigger view of that particular one chart. Now let us look into all the one-click trader shortcuts. So to place a trade, use your keyboard in your computer. People tend to press this button and they tell the trade doesn't work. Do not press here, use your keyboard keys. So for example, if I press the up arrow now, it buys the call option, and if I press the down arrow, it buys the put option. And if you press left or right arrow to close the position, it will not work. To close the position, you have to click on the X button like this, or you can press the X in your keyboard. So if you press the X in your keyboard, it will close the last position, and remaining position also will be closed. And to clear your position only in the one click trader, press the space bar. So it clears here but not in the but doesn't exit the broker. And now I'm pressing left and right arrow. It sells the call option and sells the put option. And to close all the position, you can press the C or click on the X icon on the top header. So it closes all the position at a time. For example, I'm opening multiple position here. If I press the C, it exits all the position at once. And now for those who do straddles and strangles, you can use this L and S shortcut. So S means it sells call and put, that is short straddles. Now I'm pressing the S, it's placing one sell order in call and one put. If I'm pressing 2 times, it places the order 2 times. Now for long straddle, if I press the L button, it buys the call and put option. Now let us look into the detail about auto trail feature and the manual trail feature. So to enable auto trail or manual trail, click on the settings button and you can move this trail button value, like you can drag it left and right to modify the value, and keep it to 0 to disable the trail option. And to modify the M trail, same like that, you can keep whatever value you want. And I will be covering what is auto trail and what is M trail in detail now. Now first we will see the example of the auto trail. Now let us see this scenario. So you bought some option at 100 rupees, and for this the trail has been set to 5 rupees. That is you are keeping the trail value to 5 here. So this is the scenario, and the stop loss is set to 96. That is 100 minus 4 is 96. So if we keep the stop loss to 4, the average price would be 100 and the stop loss would be set to 96. Now after you place a trade, suppose the price is going to 99 rupees. Now you are at 1 rupees loss. Here nothing happens to the stop loss. Now again the price is going to 104. Here you are at 4 points profit and still nothing happens because your trail is 5. So you need at least minimum 5 rupees profits. So now at 105 you are getting 5 rupees profit. Now what happens is the stop loss will be changed from 96 to 100. Your initial stop loss is 96. That is changed to 100. That is because LTP is 105. So 105 minus 5 is 100. Now if the price goes to 106, that is you will be in 6 points profit and the stop loss will be modified from 100 to 101. So if the price falls to 105, nothing happens, and if the price goes to 107, at 7 point profit the stop loss will be changed from 101 to 102. And if the price is falling to 103, nothing happens. And if the price is falling to 102, that is your previous stop loss has been hit and the position gets squared off. And to disable the trail, like I said, please keep it to the 0. Now let us look into the M trail, that is manual trail feature. You can enable there. Now let's see the scenario here. So again you are buying at 100 rupees and the stop loss is set to 96, 4 points per stop loss. And here the trail has been set to 2. Now whenever you press the M, the stop loss will be changed accordingly. For example, when the LTP is 99, if you press the M button, the stop loss will be changed to 97. That is LTP minus 2. 99 minus 2 is 97. So again when the LTP is 104 and if you press the M, the stop loss will be modified from 97 to 102. That is 104 minus 2 is 102. So basically LTP minus, let me write the formula, last traded price minus M trail is the new stop loss value. So even if you are having live trades, you can modify it whatever value you want, and if you press the M button, it will modify your stop loss accordingly. So it is very important feature. Now let us look into this break even feature. So you can press the B key in your keyboard to activate this break even. So for example, you are buying some option at 100 rupees and stop loss is 96. So whatever the LTP is, if you are pressing the B key, the stop loss will be changed to your average price 100. Now let us look into the live example of automatic trail. I have set it to 3 and I am buying the call option. The initial stop loss is 462 and you can see as soon as you get 3 points profit, how the stop loss is changing automatically. Basically, if the difference between the LTP and the stop loss is more than 3, the stop loss will be changed. And please note, for the buy order, the stop loss only increases, so that if the price suddenly falls, you can see when the price is falling like this, the stop loss will be triggered and the position will be exited. So let me show you another example. I am buying the call option again. Here the initial stop loss is 472.05. Now if the profit is lesser than 3, nothing happens. Okay, now as soon as the profit is more than 3, you can see how the stop loss has been increased. And when there is a sudden fall, something like this, your stop loss gets triggered. So if the stop loss is hitting often, and if you are doing some long term trade, you can increase the trail from 3 to 5 or 10 like this. Now let us look into the live example of the manual trail feature. So you can modify here. I'm setting to 2 as of now. Now let me buy the put option by pressing the down arrow. So here the initial stop loss is 246. So as soon as I press the M button, the LTP minus 2 value will be updated as the stop loss. So no matter what is the LTP or whatever the profit, if you are pressing the M button, the LTP minus 2 value will be updated as stop loss. So the price is falling, and if there is a small reversal also, you have trailed properly and your profit has been booked. So M trail is very powerful. So if you guys are into one click trader, please use manual trail feature. So you're always limit your loss, and once you're in profit, use the M trail. Now again I bought the call option. Here the stop loss is set to 465.5 in default. Now since it is in loss, I'm not pressing the M button. So as soon as I get 3 or 4 points profit, I will press the M button like this. So you can see as the profit is increasing, I keep pressing to trail it strictly. And you can also change the M trail dynamically. This position has been squared off due to the reversal. Let me take another position. And one more thing is, even if the position is in loss, you can use the M trail feature. And if you're feeling like the market will go in your direction, you can do that, but it is not recommended. Always use the M trail when you're in profit. As you can see, even when it is in loss, I press the M trail and it keeps the modify the stop loss, and the position doesn't exit even if there is a fall. And now the position is going in your direction, and you can strictly trail your position by pressing the M button. Now let us look into the break even shortcut. So if I press the B, the stop loss will be changed to your average price 260. So no matter what is your stop loss, if you press the B key, that stop loss will be modified to 260. That is your average price. So now again I'm pressing the M button. It modifies the stop loss from the LTP minus 3. So now if the price is reversing suddenly, the position will exit with 263 rupees stop loss. So the position has been exited. Now let us look into the max loss feature. So this has been added newly recently. So basically once you set it, you cannot change it for next 5 minutes. So now I have set it, and if I try to change to some other max stop loss limit, it will not allow you to change. Okay, now I will take some random trades with 1000 quantity. So if the loss is reached, let's see what happens. Now you can see as the loss has been reached, all the position has been squared off. Due to slippages with 1000 quantity, we have extra losses, but usually it will stop with around 2000 or 2200 rupees loss if you kept around 2000 rupees max portfolio stop loss. So here you can see the bracket one is the overall profit for the today. So after this has been reached, you will not be allowed to take trades. Now I'm pressing the up arrow, down arrow. It will not allow you to take trade. That is because your max loss for that particular day is reached. Also, if I try to modify that value, you cannot change as well. So after 5 minutes you can change, but I wouldn't recommend you to do that, because 95% of the trader lose money because they don't have discipline and they do over trading, revenge trading, etc. So stop that. So use this feature, and if you're trading with discipline, success in trading is possible. Now let us look into the next feature, that is combined stop loss. This will be helpful for those who do straddle triangle, or if you are averaging and if you're taking multiple trades. Initially keep it 0 to disable this feature. So stop loss and target, if it is 0 it will not work. But if you keep some other value, like even if you have a multiple position, if the overall profit reach that particular target or particular stop loss, your position, all the position will be squared off. For example, here I am taking multiple position, and here if the profit is reaching the total target, it squares off all the position. Now let me take some random trades to show the example if the stop loss is sitting. So again I'm taking random trades, multiple positions. Here you can see as the 500 rupees open profit loss is reached, the stop loss has been triggered and all the position has been exited. So finally we can see the best method to scalp using one-click trader. The first point is always limit your losses. Sometimes people keep 10-point stop loss and 5 points target, so which I do not recommend at all. Always limit your losses, keep the stop losses small, and next thing is don't limit your profit. Like don't keep 2 or 3 points target, because we have the feature like manual trail, auto trail, break even, etc. So that you can catch the full trend with the manual trail and auto trail features. This M trail feature has been very useful for me as well as for my members. So try to use the M trail as soon as you get profit. Like first you can break even after you get 3 or 4 points profit, so that the stop loss will be changed to your average price. After breaking even, like if you're getting 10 points or 20 points profit, you can start doing manual trail. So benefit of this manual trail and not keeping any target is because sometimes if the market is very choppy, you will be ending up with 2 or 3 points profit. Whereas if the market is trending, or if there is a sudden shoot up, you may be getting 30 points, 40 points also. So that is why don't keep a fixed target and exit with 2 or 3 points profit. Use the M trail. Out of 5 times you will get good profit. And use the auto trail if the market is trending and not choppy. If it is choppy, your auto trail will be hitting. And the last point is try to buy the call or put option only when the price is at the bottom. Sometimes what happens is people try to buy the call option after the call option shoots up. So yeah, that's it guys. I will be sharing all these documents to you in WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.